Breaking news. I thought they said they must have changed the time, maybe. I thought it wasn't supposed to start snowing Saturday at 3 a.m. Fuck. I've seen it about, I don't know, 11:45? I forgot what time it is. Oh, fuck. Winter time. A lot of people are gonna freeze. I pray the government open. I pray that they ain't still stuck on stupid. Food and medicine available. Help the people. Listen to what they say. What Supreme Court say. Government. Quit doing what you want to do for corruption. Quit putting all the money, taxpayers' money in your pocket. To your friends. It's snowing. I see it. I see it too. You white. It's white snow. Every race gotta shovel that snow. Snow is snow. Right is right, wrong is wrong. America don't want no king, don't want no dictator. Don't want no multiple felony in the United States White House or Capitol. And if you try to take down the Constitution and democracy, you're a traitor to the United States of America. And we all know who that is. Mr. Cut Funding for the good of the people, for the good of human beings worldwide.